How to enable advanced keyboard shortcuts on iPhone. Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a iPhone productivity hack where you can enable advanced shortcuts on your keyboard. So for this, you're going to go ahead and open up your settings tab. Once you do that, you're going to go into keyboard. You're just going to search for keyboards over here. And once you do that, you're going to proceed with text replacement. So click on text replacement and you can add custom phrases or shortcuts to save time typing and use it whenever you're frequently texting. So on my way is one of the shortcuts I've added. Let's say I have a specific phrase that I use, which is I'll be there in 5. So I want to use the shortcut in INF and I'll just click on save. And now whenever I choose the term INF in my texts, it will automatically be replaced. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.